The market is down, is red. However, those stocks is jumping. We have SNTI still jumping today. Yesterday 100%, today almost 100%. We have FNGR jumped again and reversed from our support. We're going to discuss CEI and the other energy stocks. So what's the game plan for this week? Let's get right to it, because here we don't just chit chat, we go straight to the chart, straight to the market maker price action, because we're going to discuss the price where we're going to have a reversal, a genuine buying pressure for many stocks. So let's get right to it and start our video with CEI. Last time we talked about it like almost 2 months ago when we broke from this ascending line. We said CEI will go nearing the 0.20 cent, and that's why we went there, and we have a huge volatility and the price reversed around the 27th of September. Now, what's the game plan? Because we already talked about it in our Patreon pre-market 8 hours ago, when we talked about this support that we should hold for this week, the 0.2141. The pre-market went higher today, but went down, then reversed and went higher again, nearing our support exactly here around this AMA, the 0.22. So this is the most important support that we should hold above the 0.2192 for CEI in order to go higher toward the squeeze area. For my opinion, is the 0.26 cent. Here we're gonna get huge volatility back for CEI, and again going around the 0.33 cent for CEI. Next up we have FNGR. We hunted yesterday for this stock when we talked about the reversal area for this stock in our pre-market update. You see it here. We already did it yesterday around this chart analysis. What we said, the $5.30 is the reversal area and profit taking around the $7.74. If we go back here where we reversed for FNGR, the price went higher and went exactly around our profit taking, the $7.50. and even went around the $9.11, the second profit taken. Then the price went down, however, is still holding this AMA. We got huge buying pressure, and many people talk about FNGR, if there's a possibility to re-enter for FNGR. We need to overcome the $9.29 in order to have a breakout around the $12.63. And this is our current support above this ascending line and above the $6. For AMC is going sideways because we got the double top around the $8.13. Our AMA coming down on us, so this is a huge resistant area. If we still consolidate below the $8.13, is mean we're gonna test the $6.16. If we don't hold the $4.70, will be the support for AMC. We'll load up here on this button for AMC. If you want to load up as well with me, you can on Momo. Have 15 free stocks, and one of them AMC and AZO and Apple and the other blue chip company. So you seize this opportunity and get your free share of those stocks with my exclusive link in comment section below. Or notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open account with Momo. Next stock on our list is SNTI. We have a huge bump the moment that we broke this ascending line. We talked about it in our live streaming last time. We said if we broke this ascending line around this technical area, the $2, we're gonna have a huge volatility for SNTI. And the price, as we predicted, the price went first around the $3.80, then the $5. You see 100%. Then from the $5.30, we bumped again almost 50%, almost for ultimate profit taking the $9.57. Is that it, or are we gonna get a huge volatility back for SNTI? What's gonna be? I would be extremely careful now, because the $9.57 or below the $10 is the ultimate profit taking. Now, if we go in the big picture, we see it is overextended. We have 1, 2, 3 days of pumping without any selling pressure. So I'll be watching out now. Let me just check what's going on with this alert. Okay, we have IMVT breaking our breakout level. Let me just check IMVT, yes, breaking the $9.56 and going toward the $10. Yeah, $10.34. Let me just go back to SNTI. As we said, the support now, the current support to hold is the $6.92. If we held this area and accumulate here, we're gonna get a breakout around the $7.92 before the market close. So watch out here. This will mark a new volatility and a breakout zone for SNTI and going toward the $9.57 if we saw the $8 again. And the support is above the $6.92. If we held it, is mean the price will squeeze eventually after we accumulate here. If we don't hold this $6.92, this will be the bottom around this AMA above the $5.30, and here we're gonna have a huge reversal area for SNTI if we visit this area. I will be hunting for this dip or hunting when we have a breakout here. I will be extremely fast for taking profit for this one. We might see a sell-off and a flash out for this stock because now it's overextended, and this is the third breakout for the day. So usually when we have the first breakout, we have enough volatility to take us higher. Now maybe the fuel is drawn out for SNTI, so it'll be light on the trade here on the top after we break the $8. Take your profit quickly. I would prefer to take a bit profit around the $8.40 and then below the $9, then the $9.57 before the market closed. Now we have a huge two green candle and big volume coming up, and this is good that we have strength above this support for SNTI. Let me just go to the other stock on the most short squeeze stocks on our list. We have aprn, AVCT. Let me just check on bbby. Let me just check bbby first. And by the way, guys, tomorrow we have live streaming around 8 p.m. CET. So bring a question and let's hunt for the market before the close, as usual, each Friday here on YouTube. So what's going on with bbby? Yes, bbby have accumulation. Price went below the $6 so many times, so I don't like that price action now. We have a bottom, as we suggest, around the $5.42 if we don't overcome the $6.63. So we have confirmed resistance. The support is still shabby, you know. We don't have clear support now. Clear support for me, or the bottom, is the $4.60. The same for AMC actually. AMC and bbby have the same bottom. For bbby is the $4.60. For AMC is above this $4.70. For the other stock, AVCT, has been requested from us as well. Let me just check it. 2 million volume today. For AVCT, we're already reversed from the bottom. Price got hunted by the market maker, and now we have some kind of triangle forming. Oh man, this is looking really good for AVCT. There is a potential for a huge squeeze for AVCT if we broke this triangle. I just saw this triangle. Now let me just put this around the breakout zone, the $2.70, and of course the breakout zone from below, because if we broke from below, it means the short is came in around $2.37. And if we saw the $2.71, is mean a breakout and might overcome this AMA around the $3. So the $3 for AVCT is game on to go to the $4 and beyond. We need to have a bottom, which is now officially above the $2, but preferably we have a breakout now from this triangle, boom, like this. This will be a good reaction for AVCT. We went down 40%, then again 12%. Let me know what you think about AVCT, the price action, AMC, the bottom price, where the price you think will go to, and the other stock. Comment section below. Hit the notification and plus the like button so you never miss any of my future updates, the live streaming that we do, the alert that we do daily for the market and even cryptocurrency. If you're new here, that's what we do. Always discuss the realistic price action, where you get in, where you get out, for quick profit, either day trade or swing trade, because it depends on the stock. We cover small cap stock that's volatile, we get in and get out in the same day, and we talk about even blue chip company like Tesla, AMC, the bottom for them, where you average down. Whatever strategy, we cover it here on our YouTube and even on Patreon and Discord if you want more in-depth analysis before the market opens, so you be ready with me to trade the market daily. So without further ado, see you in the next update.